Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can switch account in Amazon app. It's pretty simple. You want to click on the 3 line at the bottom right of your screen, and then once you're over here, scroll all the way down at the bottom until you see the option called settings. Click on settings. From over here, scroll all the way down and click on switch accounts. Once you click on switch account, multiple account is going to be displayed over here. Now the reason why multiple account is not being displayed in my screen is because I have only logged into one of my Amazon account in this phone. So what I need to do is click on add account and add my another Amazon account. Once I add my another Amazon account and log into it, it will also be added on my phone. Once that is added, I can click on switch account by going in the setting as I showed you in the beginning and switch between my account. But basically the common thing is to switch account, you need to come to this page. Click on the account and you will be logged into that account without the need of password needed. Hope you understand how we guys can switch account in Amazon app. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day.